Hello, and welcome to this short walkthrough showing how you can use the MyTutor platform. At MyTutor, all our one-to-one and small group tutorials take place in our specially built, secure online lesson space. To get started, all you need is a laptop or computer and internet access. You log into the platform through our website, which offers a sign-in option for both parents and students. From the dashboard, you can search for a tutor, read your messages from tutors, and view previous and upcoming lesson bookings. You can also check out your tutor's profile to find out more about them. No personal details are shared, and students and tutors only know each other on a first-name basis. Starting a lesson is as simple as clicking Launch. During lessons, you can see and hear your tutor and chat to them live using the microphone or through the text chat box. The lesson space has lots of great features that tutors use to bring topics to life, whether that's uploading past exam papers or using diagrams, pictures, drawings, and text annotations. You can also use the tools to collaborate live with your tutor. Plus, we record every lesson for safety, and so you can use the videos for revision. Once the lesson ends, you can find recordings in the Previous Bookings tab, and you'll get a report from the tutor on how it all went and what they'll cover next time. MyTutor's learning space is secure, simple, and gets results. If you'd like to find out more, visit us online or call 0203 773 6020.